Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel for those who are already subscribed, and for those who are new, if you guys are watching this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. And by the way, I'm Cess. Welcome to my channel again. Since we are selling our house, I figured to share with you guys how we stage our house for sale. We did not hire or pay anybody to stage our house. We did it ourselves, me and my husband. All the decorations are pretty much old, or what we have. Some of our decorations were stored in our garage, so we just pulled them out and see what we can do in our house. So we actually did it ourselves, like I said. So we are going to start. I'm going to show you. We're going to start in our living room. So this is our living room, guys. So a lot of realtor recommended to stage your house if you're selling it. Not necessarily that you have to buy a lot of stuff, but make it look like a little bit presentable before you sell your house. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, guys, how to stage house, you know, how to make it look like it's a model house. In fact, there are already like 5 or 6 realtors that came to our house, and pretty much we received a lot of compliments how clean is the house, and how well maintained it is. So second is our guest bathroom. So a little bit of tip, guys, you just have to really clean your house, and you know, it doesn't have to be look like the house from the magazines, as long as it's cleaned and staged a little bit. So this is our kitchen, and like I said, this is on a budget, guys. We actually bought just a little bit of stuff. This placemat, which we really think looks nice on our kitchen table. These are only like, I think, $1 something from Walmart, and to me it looks nice. My husband actually is the one who picked this one. He's got a good taste of things, guys, and he's got eyes on things as well. So in our kitchen, we just want it so minimalist, not clutter, guys. This one, we just put a fruit tray on our kitchen island, and as much as possible, very organized, neat and clean, and not clutter. And we changed our paper towel holder. Before, it was over here, it was a plastic thing, and you know, my husband hooked it up here, and I said it will look nicer if we remove it. We change it into a standy one so we can see the canister over here. And then these are the cabinets. And then we're gonna go ahead over here in our den. So it's very simple, you know, clean, neat, and simple as usual. These actually are from our garage. This little treasure boxes right here, and it's kind of like vintage, and I really like the feel of it. So we put it there, and then we just have 4 frames, and there my husband put our vases collection, and this 2 little vintage again, treasure boxes. Yes, in front of our fireplace. And that's it. We don't even have throw pillows in here. Right, Addie?
Yeah.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
So I'm done showing you how we simply stage our first floor. Now we're going to the second floor, and I'm going to show you how we did our bedrooms and anything upstairs. All right, so let's go ahead and go upstairs. And we also changed our carpets, guys. I do have a video how we change it, and it really came out really good. And so this is our upstairs. The entire upstairs, guys, are wood floors. And then these are the old vases that we had downstairs. We just brought them up and kind of like put it here so it doesn't look like it's empty over here. Actually, before, our couch, this couch, guys, is long. Actually, it's up to here. That's why we didn't need these vases. But the middle part of our couch, this one here, we took it off and we put it in our RV, in our trailer that is in Pahrump right now. And that was actually a couch, at the same time a pull-out bed. Over here it became empty, so we just brought up the vases from downstairs and put it here. And then our coffee table over here, we just put one vase that looks like, kind of like matches the theme of this room. So this is our bedroom. It's very simple. This vase is an old vase, and I really like it. I found it in the garage, and I just bought some you know, fake flowers from Walmart. And over right here, actually I got this mat for my son's birthday. I think I used this for, you know, for his, I think the birthday cake. I know I used this for his first birthday. This picture frame, guys, is our first Christmas picture with Addie, because this is December and we brought Addie home on December 16th, and we got this picture on December 24th. This is very memorable because finally, you know, we are so happy that we were able to brought her home after staying 2.5 months in the NICU. So I put this picture frame in our bedroom because, like I said, this reminds me of, you know, a blessing. And then, guys, this flower vase, I just got this also from our garage. You know, believe it or not, I'm so glad and we're so happy that we have a lot of vases in our garage that haven't been used. So what I did is I just bought this fake flowers also, but it looks very nice to me, and the rocks as well. I just bought this from Walmart, which is not that expensive at all. So just to make some colors in our very simple bedroom. And we just put a chair in there, and actually this one This scarf is given by my friend Eleanor, and I figure I want to put it there. It looks nice actually. And here, this is also old clock, angel clock from my mother-in-law, and it's very cute and nice, so I figured to put it there. And this one, if you can see, it says thankful and blessed. This is Addie's first Thanksgiving. She was born in September of 2017, and this was made from the nurses from the NICU. And actually, guys, see, this is Thanksgiving 2017. As you can see, if you notice, that's her little right foot. And they're very creative. I don't know, I think I'm the one who put this what you call that one, feathers to make it look like a turkey. So yes, but that's her tiny little right foot, and I want to put it there because again, that's a reminder that Addie is a blessing. All right, so let's go ahead and check our master bathroom. So again, here, this was all so messy. I mean, not messy, but very, you know, clutter, because of course, you know, if you don't sell your house, you just put whatever, you know, your personal items there that you use every single day. But when you sell your house, like the realtor said, you have to remove all your personal stuff, because the people who wants to buy the house, they don't want to see your personal stuff. So make it look like, you know, a model home. So very simple. We just bought this. I just bought this one actually from the dollar store, guys. It's only $1, and it matches our towel over there, which is kind of like mustard color. So yeah, I bought this. It's only $1. This is a dishwashing, or not dishwashing, I'm sorry, it's a hand soap. And then I got this 2 jars for just for cotton balls, which I think it looks nice, from Walmart. This is an old vase again, and I just bought, you know, flowers from Walmart again. And very simple. In fact, even though I already have one in there, but my husband still puts this antibacterial hand soap. And this towel, guys, I just saw a video. In fact, before, I don't know how to hang towels. I just put towels there, and I saw a tutorial in YouTube that this is how you put your towels once you stage your house. And that looks really nice and cool and very neat and clean. So this is our master bathroom. So that's pretty much it for our loft and the bedroom. So now I'm gonna bring you guys over here. I'm not gonna show you that room right there because that, well, I guess I can, but we made it into a storage area. But this is a bedroom. We did not stage this, but I have a picture of how it looks like before. And this is our office, guys. My husband cleaned this office really good and make it look like, you know, it's very neat and clean, nice. Before, we have a lot of papers here and we just clean it, you know. And yes, that's pretty much it for the office. We did not really do any or put or buy any decorations for the office because it's an office. It doesn't need it, right? As long as it's clean and organized. And let's go ahead in this bedroom right here. So this, we decorated a little bit, very minimal. All of the decors here are old as well. We did not buy anything. Those are, well, except for the flowers, but the rest are also from the garage that has just been sitting there for a long period of time. But they were kept really good, and we just brought it in, cleaned them up. And this is what we did. Very simple, guys. That chair has been there already for a long time. There you go. Very simple. I like simple, neat, and clean. Same with my husband. And this is our second bathroom. So here the theme is green, and again yellow. So there's not pretty much to do with the bathroom, because as long as it's clean, and that's my collection right there. Bath and Body Works and the Suave body wash. And I think it's clean, guys. That's pretty much it. There you go. See, as you can see, the floors are really clean and shiny. So that's it. So I hope you guys like this video. Please leave a comment down below if you have any comments about our house. I just want to know your thoughts. It's not staged professionally, but for me and for us, it looks clean. That's the most important thing. Clean, neat, and tidy. So let me know your thoughts. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Cess. Have a nice day, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!